Hello everyone, hope you will be fine. I am Assalam O from Morosoft Technologies. Today I will show you how you can import and export Woocommerce product. So this is how you can see. We have the default option here and the export. Click on the export. Okay. And if you have any meta values, then you have to click on this. I have created some meta values in the products. Let me show you and the products I have created with the jet engine. And so you have to see to I have some meta fields, so that you have to check that will be exported. You can see here is some custom product fields. This is okay. This is how you can see. Then create generate CSV and it will automatically generate CSV for you. Okay. The list. Okay. Okay. Now if you can now import the data in the same way. Go to the product. Here is you can change everything. So here is the ID, the type, the SKU, the name. Everything is self-explanatory. You have to just put the data in the relevant field and then upload it again. So these are all self-explanatory. One thing I have to explain the images. So first the images you have to upload on the internet, somewhere on the internet, and then you have to put the data here, the URL of the image. This is you can see how you this is how the image is well uploaded. So and here are the two and the images. If you have many images, then you have to separate it with a comma. So this is how it will work. In the same way for the categories, so you have to first put the main category. Here you can see my main category is parent, and then in the parent category I have two categories, LSK selection and Lisha M. So first you have to add the camera, then comma camera, again camera mean the parent category, then the greater than sign, and then the subcategories with the comma separator. So this is how it will add the data on the print. And then the meta fields, you can see I have created these meta fields, so you can again import it here, put the relative data, and then we have to import the data, but you have to save the data as CSV. So then import, choose the CSV file and go to, I am not going to import because it will override my already existing product. And here, if you have the product already available, so you don't want to create two products, then you have to put here it will match by either ID or SKU. If it exists, then it will only override update that particular product. Let's suppose it's uh, categories, its images, its price, and all these things. So then you have to continue. So then you have to map everything, import the metadata. So it will import the metadata and it will then you have to run the import and it will import everything. So this is how you can import and export product. Thank you so much.